Okay, here we are in an application problem 3.23, similar triangle. Here I have two examples here. If that's a similar triangle, all the angle, corresponding angle should be the same angle. Theta here, alpha here, beta here, beta here. The length doesn't have to be the same. It's actually different. But their proportion should be the same. In this example, 15 on this longest side with the smaller triangle, if we are saying these two triangles are similar triangle, these are assumed to be all the corresponding angle are the same. 15 here, 10 here, 3 here. And this smaller one, 4.5, a little small here. 0.9 here, we don't know here. The goal is to solve this x. How do we solve it? You just use the proportion to handle that. If they're saying two of the similar triangle, the longest side is 15. The longest side of a smaller one is 44.5, and you have the other side 3 and 0.9. But this is irrelevant. And the second side is 10. The second side, the smaller triangle, you don't know. If you know this kind of relation, you can write out 15. Okay, this example, 15 to 10, longest side to the second side, equal to the smaller angle triangle, the longest side to the second side. Okay, 4.5 to x, to solve x. Or you can solve the other way. 15, the longest side related to the longest side, the other one, and the second one, 4.5. 15 to 4.5 is the second side 10 ratio to x. Okay, either this way or this way, you will be the same, but you got to be the same. The longest side, the second side, the longest side, the second side has to be like this. Okay, if these will be the same answer. Once you set up your proportion, you can use cross product. 10 times 4.5 equal 15 times x. 45 equal 15 times x. As you can see, x is 3. If you use the other way, 15 to 4 point longer side to longer side, short second side to second side. This will get you the same answer. Okay, that is the way to solve the similar triangle problem. Okay, whatever wording, doesn't matter. As long as you figure out what the corresponding side, just write out the proportion. Alright, that's the first example. Second example, you could encounter your word problem. They will tell you, the sun shine on the top here, assuming the sign is parallel rate. Okay, parallel the sun rate here. There's a tree here. There's a man here, 5 foot tall. There's a shadow for the tree, 15 feet, whatever, 15 feet for this tree. Cast the shadow of 15 feet. At the same time, this man, 5 feet tall, will cast a shadow of 2 feet. Ask you to figure out what is the height of this tree. It's a similar triangle problem. How do you do it? The height of the tree to the shadow, the height of the man to the shadow, the length of the shadow. Once you figure this out, its corresponding side all put at the same position, then you can figure it out. Or you can do like the height of the tree, the height of the man, the shadow of the tree, the shadow of the man. These two way of setup will get you the same answer. If you use this one, cross multiply, 15 times 5 is 75, okay, equal to 2 times x. On the left, 75. On the right is 2x. And then divided by 2. So x in this case is 75 divided by 2, 37.5. If you use this way, you will get the same answer. Okay? So similar triangle problem, just figure out the proportion, write out exactly the same position. You're going to solve it in the right way. Okay? In your exam, I like to see your setup and give me your answer. Okay? This is our section 3.23, similar triangle problem.